Okay, how are you guys? Benjamin, hi, how are you? How is everybody doing? Today, maybe this will be maybe a quick session, or this will be an end of the week session, because I want to take a look on all markets and to look for potential new setups, new trades. Okay, and but before I will take a look on all markets, before I will talk about US dollar, Bitcoin, US equities, gold. Yeah, read the disclaimer, guys. Taz, hello there. Hi, how are you? Lotus, hi, how are you? Okay, risk disclaimer. It's important to understand the risks. Okay, trading is risky. Past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Support, guys. You can send an email to support if you have questions about services, about brokerage companies. Yeah, personally, I'm not working as a support agent. I'm here only as a trader. So, as a trading analyst. So, yeah, if you have questions, you can send an email to support. Learn to Trade will never contact you directly. Please understand, guys, that there are a lot of scamming groups, a lot of scammers out there trying to impersonate us. So you'll have to be careful. Yeah. Thank you, guys. I will close this window later, guys. Later, the US is to release its prelim consumer sentiment. Okay, this indicator is seen as a high impact event, maybe here on the economic calendar, and yeah, it's expected to drop from 59.9 to 59.5. It remains to see how the dollar index, the euro, USD, the US dollar will react around this high impact event. Okay, dollar index. Please, guys, if you have questions, yeah, as I said, maybe this will be a quick session. I will try to identify new potential trades. Yeah, so, and if I'll have something, I will place the trade here live. If you are a VIP member, Orlando's trading gold is still valid. Yeah. And also for the swing trading group, Orlando's remaining in British pound US dollar is still in profit. That trade, actually today Orlando closed at some of his position in British pound US dollar for around where is British pound US dollar. Okay, right now around 2% growth in our real account with this trade, and Orlando already took profits around 2% as well in British pound US dollar swing trade. Swing for the swing trading group. Benjamin, what is the secret of trading? I always blow my account. Benjamin. Yeah. Hello, man. Why do you don't make trades only unless let's go, brother? So yesterday I placed the trade on silver live here. So yeah, if I'll have something like a high probability trade, I will take the trade. But as you already know, I don't want to go long short only because you want to place 10 trades per day. If I'll have something really good, yeah, I will place the trade. I will take the trade. Check out gold. Yeah, I will take a look on that market. Hello, Olympia. We are stuck at gold. Please help. No, please, guys, if you follow that trade, please wait for Orlando's update. And yeah, let's take a look also on the real account. And I don't know, if you followed that trade, Orlando used only a 0.5% risk. Okay, so if you cannot afford, guys, so right now that trade is still valid. Please take a look here. It's around break even. Personally, I don't understand, you guys. If you cannot afford to maybe also to lose 0.5, yeah, please do something else. Yeah, because that setup is still good. Orlando didn't say anything, so please wait for his management, because he will come back when he will decide to manage the trade. Yeah, he will come back. And please, guys, I don't know. Do you want Orlando to come back every hour to say, yeah, I will keep it, I will keep it, I will keep it? Of course, he will keep it as long as he didn't said anything. Benjamin, start with 0.0, start small. Hello, any idea about silver? Yeah, let's take a look. Okay, silver, as you already know, personally, I've decided to manage my position in the early morning, and I've explained it into the VIP group why I decided to manage my position. Only because the sentiment changed here. Also, yeah, we've had an opportunity here, yeah, to go long, and yeah, that's why personally I've decided to manage my position in the early morning. Right now, sell off. It was a great decision to manage my position, and right now, yeah, it challenges the uptrend line. Okay, false breakdown, great separation through this confluence area at the intersection between uptrend line and 21.423. Yeah, right now I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait. And if it stays above the uptrend line, a new higher high here, a value breakout above 21.662 could still signal potential growth. Okay. This is my opinion about silver right now in the short term. Okay. This is my opinion about silver right now. Okay, because after this false breakdown here with great separation, with this, after this pin bar, you can see that yeah, maybe it has failed to stay below this support zone, demand area. Yeah, maybe only dropping and closing below this former low could signal potential drop, but yeah, I'll wait. I don't have a setup to trade right now. I don't have a high probability setup here, a good setup in silver. Okay, so that's why I'll wait. Okay. What? Why you trade with fear like your silver and Canadian dollar, Japanese, and what fear? I don't understand. Okay, gold went other way, and you can say as gold is a very high amount of, yeah. What about US dollar, Japanese yen? What about US dollar, Japanese yen? Please tell me what you are looking at, please, guys. Yeah. Okay, it is dangerous to make trades after CPI. This is not an opportunity when results are negative for USD. Trade with Brave Brother. I blow account during CPI. Yeah. Hello everyone. Today silver trade hit stop loss right now. It was closed at break even. Okay, because personally I've managed my position. I've moved my stop loss at break even. So now, yeah, my stop loss was at break even, so break even. Yeah, but I learned a lot. Sorry about that. Yeah, these things happen, guys. So maybe as long as it stays above these levels here and value breakout, a new higher high could still signal potential upside continuations here in silver. I will keep an eye on this on silver right now. I don't want to place a trade here. I will look for something else. Let's take a look on gold. Gold. Yeah, yeah, unfortunately yesterday, right after the inflation data, I decided to place a pending order in silver and not gold. Maybe it would have been, yeah, actually, yeah, it would have been perfect here after this retest, after retesting this broken level 1729. Okay. But yeah, I've I've decided to place a pending order in silver, and unfortunately silver failed to resume its growth. Okay, so gold, unfortunately the price of gold failed here to retest these levels here on 1 hour maybe before jumping higher. Okay, and right now it was almost to hit R3. Let's take a look. I believe that Orlando talked about his thought process, why he decided to place a sell stop here. Okay, key level, test retests 1765, and this is my opinion here. Okay, right now it's trapped between these levels. This former high here as support, so 1757 and 1765. Okay, a new lower low, valid breakdown here could signal potential downside movement. Also, don't forget that personally I have here, yeah, I will delete this major okay, I will delete this major descending pitchfork, and as you can see here, okay, breakout above the 150% Fibonacci line of the ascending pitchfork. I have an ascending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3 here, and as you already know, I was long here on gold after registering only false breakdown here. Yeah, I was long here. I took profit here around 1708, 250 pips profit or something, sideways movement rally, and right now, yeah, it has reached the key level, and in my opinion, yeah, as I've said, we have a potential range here as well. Yeah, and dropping closing below these former lows, immediate lows below this key level, and coming back down below the 150% Fibonacci line could signal potential downside movement. And if it stays above 1757, if it moves sideways, also maybe this range could represent only an accumulation and consolidation before jumping higher. But an upside continuation could be activated only by a new higher high. Okay, sideways movement, a new higher high could signal potential further growth. And as I've said, a new lower low here also dropping closing below 1755 or something could open the door for a potential downside movement. This is my opinion here about gold. Yeah. Google Eyes, host must get tired looking at charts all day and supplying info. No guys, but personally, yeah, I'm updating the groups. I don't know, maybe about my trades every day, and only because for me, yeah, it's important for you to understand why I want to keep a trade, why I'm still holding. But yeah, you should know that when I'll place a trade, okay, yeah, I know right from the beginning that maybe that trade could hit stop loss as well. That's why I'm using only 1% risk, 0.5 risk, 0.8, 0.7, so it's fine. Okay, that's why, please guys, even if I'm not coming back with updates every hour, I'm holding. Of course, I'm holding. If I'm not managing, if I'm not closing the trade, yeah, I'm holding. Okay, please understand this. Yeah. Right, forgot to change my stop loss. Okay, yeah. Okay, so an example here. Because personally, yeah, shared my management. Trade safe. Thanks. Your trades mostly break even or missing to book profit. Please responsible for VIP members. What? And see. Benjamin. Blow 1000 yesterday. Let's take a look at Euro USD 1 hour time frame. What are your thoughts? Yeah, let's take a look on that market. So and see. Personally, I've lost only or actually, yeah, I've had only 4 bad trades in more than 2 months. Okay, and maybe, yeah, I've decided to manage some of my positions at break even because I didn't want it to lose money on those trades because the sentiment changed. Yeah, but yeah, if you don't want to follow the trades, it's up to you. Yeah, personally, I'm not here to force you to do to follow my trades, to follow my trade management. It's up to you how you want to manage your trades. I will take a look on Euro USD. Gold is now back on track. I've told you guys, only because the I don't know, the price of gold rallied, turned to the upside in the short term. It doesn't mean that the price of gold will extend its growth. Yeah, I believe that Orlando already talked about his thought process. It has reached a key level. Right now it has dropped. Orlando's position is in profit. So yeah. Okay. Gold is bullish or bearish? Okay, Christina. If it doesn't hit TP or stop loss by the end of the day, market close, should we leave it or close it? It's up to you, Christina. Okay. Personally, when I'll decide to close the position, I will update the group. When I'll keep my trades, yeah, I will update the groups as well. What about gold to bullish on news? What? That big gold move was on my... So thank you for that great idea, man. Isaac, yeah. Thank you as well. You'll have to buy me a beer one day. Antonio, hello. USD prelim, customer sentiment on news on 15. So what about bullish, bearish? Yeah, so about prelim consumer sentiment, it could bring some action in the short term, and in my opinion, worse than expected data. Okay, worse than expected US data could help the price of actually, yeah, could help the price of gold maybe to stay higher in the short term, in my opinion. Okay, but so worse than expected data, okay, could help maybe the price of gold to stay above these levels in the short term, but only because it has rallied, it has registered a strong rally here. Maybe right now it's overbought. Okay, after also reaching this key level, and despite worse than expected US data, the price of gold could still come back down. Okay, it remains to see. Yeah, and maybe better than expected US data then maybe could force the price of gold to drop. Okay, a little. Yeah. Ross, I personally closed my sell gold now. Because I feel like it's going to be bullish. Ross, it's up to you. Stephen, hi, how are you guys? So at the Olympic we were supposed to get 5 signals a day, but we are getting only 1 a day. Sorry, just a question, not being disrespectful. Yeah. Maybe there are days, so please guys understand that, yeah, okay, if you want 10 trades per day, yeah, we can send 10 trades per day, but please understand that these trades, because if I want to trade US dollar, okay, I will not take maybe 3 trades on US dollar, okay? Or if I want, I will take only 1 trade, okay? I don't want to double or to triple the risk on the same on US dollar, okay? What we are trying to do here is to trade like professionals. Yeah, we can, if we want to go long on the US dollar, yeah, we can place, I don't know, 10 trades on US dollar, and then you will get 10 trades, okay? But yeah, as you already know, we are looking only for high probability trades, and if I want to go long on the US dollar, maybe, yeah, Orlando will stay away, and maybe we'll keep only 1 position on US dollar and not 3, 4, 5 positions on the same asset, on the same currency. Same with Japanese yen, okay? So that's why. And yeah, it's up to you if you want to place 10 trades per day, but in my opinion, trading only high probability trades, it's better. Yeah. Okay, are you buying or selling? Antonio, hello. I got a spike yesterday, good buy order, but I think I'll retrace down a bit. On what market? What is your opinion about USD Canadian dollar and US dollar GBP? Thanks in advance. Okay, thanks for answering. Okay, so gold right now is in profit. Yeah. So please be patient, guys. Yeah. Please be patient. Please be patient, because Orlando, you said only half risk, guys. 0.5% risk on this trade, okay? And it's still valid, it's still good. Let's take a look. Yeah, in profit. Please take a look here. And right now with the current trades, 2% in our real account with the current trades. So yeah, gold is in profit. Okay, and if gold makes a new lower low here, okay, if it drops, closes below these former lows, then boom. Okay, this is the idea here. This is the idea here, guys. 0.5% risk. Yeah, and if the price makes a new lower low, then please take a look here. It could come back down towards the upper medium line here. Yeah, towards this this former high, and only staying here above this former high, sideways movement, test retests. Also, if it stays above the 150% Fibonacci line, then it could extend its growth, and yeah, but Orlando will come back with its management. Gold on fire. Check gold now. Well, I only joined it a day ago. Yeah, thanks, dear. Comfortable when you're around. So this is just a first impression. Big fan. Will there go out another signal for VIP? Yeah, personally, I'm looking right now for potential trades. So Euro USD. I will take a look on all markets because I've tried to answer to your questions. So here on Euro USD, I told you guys also yesterday that a valid breakout. Yeah, I will use also this key level here. Breakout also breakout above the channel's upside line, because personally I've had a channel here, an up channel. Okay, and after this amazing rally, yeah, I've said also yesterday that I want I'll wait actually for a retreat, for a temporary drop before I will look for potential longs here in Euro USD, only because the dollar index is bearish. Okay, dollar index, please take a look here. It has dropped below this the medium line here of the descending pitchfork. And also I talked about this gap in the early morning in that market breakdown for the VIPs, and I've said that closing this gap up here could signal potential downside movement, downside continuation. Okay, right now we cannot exclude test retest here 107.58 and the medium line as resistance levels. Actually, yeah, maybe I would like the dollar index to test retest these levels before, yeah, going down. And temporary rebound here, testing retesting these levels could bring us new US dollar shorts. Okay, so that's why Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. I will try to catch a potential upside continuation after this this retreat here. And maybe this area, this zone here could be my buying zone, or maybe I'll wait for the price to retest these, and it depends on how the price will react here around these levels. But yeah, I would like the price to come back to retest these broken levels. Sideways movement or a flag or a range here pattern could bring us an upside continuation here. That's why you need to understand, yeah, that I don't want to buy Euro USD at market right now, because maybe it could register a larger retreat, a sell-off here. Okay, where should I place my stop loss? Yeah, here below this former low. Yeah, but that's why but if I'll use this level, if I'll decide to hide my stop loss here, then I don't know if you will be able to follow my trade, because if you have a small account, yeah, you cannot use maybe a larger stop loss on this market. That's why I'll wait here for the price to retest these levels, maybe for a new low here, and then I will look for longs, and maybe I will be able to place my stop loss below a potential new low here in the short term. Okay. Chris, it is correct to put both crypto and forex signals in the same account. It's up to you, Chris. If you want to trade on cryptocurrencies, on forex, on commodities, on indexes, Chris, in my opinion, yeah, I'm trading also CFDs. On cryptocurrencies, commodities, indexes, also on the same account, forex, because yeah, you can mix it a little, yeah. And because if you'll trade only cryptocurrencies, yeah, I don't know, maybe you will find also good setups also on forex. Maybe you will I don't know, have bad trades in crypto, and you will recover your losses on forex, on commodities. Yeah, it's up to you. But yeah, personally, I'm trading also cryptocurrencies, but I'm talking about crypto. I'm talking about CFDs. Okay, in my opinion, I think it will go back to higher highs. Hi sir, what do you think about gold? Should we wait falling down, or should we go out? You'll have to wait for Orlando. As I've said, please wait for Orlando's management. It's not my trade. I will not manage it, so yeah. That's Orlando's trade, and as long as and as I've said, guys, again, only 0.5% risk on that trade. That's why Orlando is still holding. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. British pound, US dollar. But Orlando is already long here. It's already long for the swing trading group. The monastery, I've talked about gold. Yeah, I have to take a look on other markets as well. I talked about gold a lot today. Yeah. If you want to join the VIP group, guys, you can still use also because that coupon Olympio30 expired yesterday, and you can still use YouTube that code at the checkout to get a 10% discount. So now here I don't have a setup on British pound, US dollar, Japanese yen. Let's take a look. Yeah, after this massive drop, I've said that. Let's take a look here. Yeah, in the early morning, because I've talked about the potential rebound here in yesterday's webinar. 140.34. Let's take a look on yen basket, because I want to talk about earlier today in that market breakdown. Personally, I've talked about one moment. Yeah, today in that market breakdown, I've talked about this potential flag here on yen basket, breakout, and then some strong upwards movement. This rally forced the yen to appreciate versus its rivals. And yeah, maybe we've missed an opportunity to go long on the Japanese yen, but as I said, it's fine. I'll try to catch something else. So US dollar Japanese yen. US dollar Japanese yen. Maybe I'll wait for a new rebound like this rebound here before going short. I don't want to place a trade right now here. Okay. US dollar Canadian dollar. Yeah, maybe it's almost actually to hit this this key level. Sorry. Yeah. And about US dollar Canadian dollar, guys, please take a look here. Head and shoulders pattern, reversal pattern, neckline here on this market. Okay, breakdown. Unfortunately, we had this because personally I've had a setup here. Unfortunately, the price failed to make a new lower low here, and then it has jumped above 1.350303. And yeah, as you already know, yesterday the price crashed, and because this pattern here, head and shoulders, maybe yeah, signaled the potential downside reversal. And right now it's too late maybe to go short, because the price is almost to hit 1.3223 or something. Yeah, this key level. That's why no, I don't want to sell it right now. Maybe I'll wait, because maybe after reaching this level it could rebound before extending its sell-off, or a valid breakdown could signal potential downside movement here. Yeah, so personally I've had a setup here. Sorry. Yeah, on Wednesday, but unfortunately it has registered only false breakdown, and then it has rallied. It has jumped above the channel's upside line, above this level. And yeah, yesterday we had that massive sell-off after the inflation data. Yeah, maybe here after this rebound we had a chance to go short as well, but right now in my opinion it's too late. Okay, US dollar Swiss franc, yeah, massive drop here as well. I'll wait for rebounds before I will look for potential shorts. New Zealand dollar US dollar, maybe I'll wait for temporary retreats before I will look for potential longs or something. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Okay. Australian dollar US dollar right now at resistance, maybe here. Let's take a look on 4 hour. Maybe we'll have something here on this market. So right now it has reached this key level 0.6681. It has retested the medium line, of the ascending pitchfork. Let's refresh the economic calendar, because in less than 2 minutes, in 1 minute, we'll have the US data. Resistance. Yeah, it has found resistance here at the upper medium line of this ascending pitchfork. I'll keep an eye maybe on this range pattern. Because this range pattern, Google Eyes, I'm Olympio. So yeah, I believe that we already have the pro-Lincoln summer sentiment. Yeah, I will. So University of Michigan prelim 54.7. 54.7, so worse than expected. US data, maybe the US dollar could depreciate. So 54.7 versus 59.5, expected 59.9 in the previous reporting period. Prelim inflation expectations. Let's take a look also on Euro USD, because maybe I will try to go long US dollar, Singapore dollar, no, US dollar, South African rand. I thought about this market. Yeah, unfortunately here we have a huge spread. Huge spread. Australian dollar, US dollar, sorry, Australian dollar, US dollar. 15 minutes. Yeah. It remains to see, because I told you guys earlier that maybe the US dollar is oversold right now in the short term. Yeah, but right now, yeah, so maybe I will try to catch something here on this market. But personally, I would have liked the price maybe to retest also these levels here. So yeah, maybe I will take the trade with half risk also here as a short-term trade or something here on Australian dollar, US dollar, and I will also share the levels, my trade in the VIP group. So please understand, gold is still valid. That but I don't know, maybe I will we are at resistance, unfortunately, here in Australian dollar, US dollar, at resistance key level here. I don't know if I want to place a trade here right now, so I'll keep an eye on Australian dollar, US dollar, and if I'll decide to place a trade, yeah, I will share my trade, my levels in the VIP group. Okay. Okay, guys. As I've said, I'm still looking for potential US dollar shorts. Okay. Let's take a look. New Zealand dollar, US dollar as well. Yeah, US dollar, Canadian dollar, US dollar, Swiss franc, US dollar, Swiss franc. Yeah, US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Five minutes. On 5 minutes, and here is 15 minutes. US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Where is US dollar versus the Swiss franc? So I will use only half risk on this kind of maybe short-term trades. Okay. I will share my levels also in the VIP group. Let's see, because if the dollar index continues to drop, okay, so 0.43, yeah, great. Okay. One moment, guys, because I have to send my my levels in the VIP group, my trade. Okay, this is only for the VIPs, for the VIP members. US dollar versus the Swiss franc. It remains to see. Yeah, if the price reaches my entry, I will come back with my trade management. Yeah, stop loss. And the TP 0.95. Okay, 43 risk and 1.5. Okay, okay, you have the levels in the VIP group. Okay, okay, let's continue to look for something else. I'll look for something else. Cooper in 1 minute time frame. Please tell me what we're looking at on that market, on Cooper. DXY. DXY. Okay. As long as it stays below this this level, maybe sideways movement. USD CAD, Euro USD. Here, as I said, I would have liked I would have liked the price to come back down to test retest these levels before jumping higher. Australian dollar, US dollar. Sorry. Okay. Okay. US dollar, Singapore dollar, US dollar, South African rand. Hi, I am still waiting for purchase document validation to get access to VIP group. What? Purchase document validation to get access to VIP group. Please also send an email to support if you have questions. I'm not working as a support agent. Yeah. If you have questions about subscription, about brokerage companies, about VIP groups, about yeah, because the support team will come back to you. Yeah, we'll sort you out. What? Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry guys, I will delete that sell stop. Yeah, unfortunately I'm tired. One moment. I will place the trade again, and I will one moment. Sorry about that. No, only I've made a mistake here with this risk position size calculator. USD, so 25 pending order. Yeah, sorry. Here is, and here is, yeah. Sorry guys, something like this. Okay, and right now I will I have a lot of things to cover here, and I've made a mistake. So this is the entry, but you already saw the setup, guys. Okay, you saw the setup. Yeah, personally I've made a mistake here. I've with this risk position size calculator, I've placed a buy limit. Buy limit, horizontal level. Okay, so 0.43 risk and enter. And right now I have a sell stop. Okay, I will share the levels. Thank you guys. Sell stop. Yeah, the levels are 0.9444. Okay, 0.95. Okay, and TP. $92.87, yeah, and 0.43. Okay, okay, so right now you have the levels. In US dollar versus the Swiss franc. Yeah. So thank you guys. But you saw the setup, guys. Okay, so it's a sell stop. You saw the levels. So yeah, personally I've shared the levels also in the VIP group. Okay, US dollar, Singapore dollar. If you want to follow it, it's fine. If you don't want to follow, it's fine as well. If it doesn't make sense to you, it's fine. $0.9. I don't want go on USD Swiss franc today. What risk calculator you're using for desktop? So this position size calculator, you will have to buy it if you want this position size calculator, but you already have a position size calculator in the VIP group. Okay, yeah, this is great. This risk calculator, yeah, if you want to buy it for your MetaTrader platform, okay, you can do a lot of things with that position size calculator. Okay, my lot size 0.02. Yeah, with 0.4% risk. Okay. Yeah, Google Eyes lot size is dependent on how much you want to risk. Yeah, guys, because you can risk 10% with 10 pips. Yeah, you can risk 1% with a stop loss, with a 10 pips stop loss or something. Yeah, so yeah, guys, thank you, Google Eyes. Okay, if you have questions, more questions, sorry about that. So if the price reaches my entry, then I will share my trade management. Okay. And personally, I will still keep an eye. I will keep an eye also on Australian dollar, US dollar. Let's take a look here. Dollar index. It's bearish after worse than expected US data. What the risk to reward ratio? What is the risk to reward ratio on my trade? Or what is the risk to reward ratio on so guys, risk to reward ratio here in trading view. Okay, maybe if you want to place a trade, if you want to take a trade, and let's take a look, a long position, for example, long position here with an entry here with a stop loss here, okay, and then you'll have to select your take profit. Okay, if your take profit, it will be here at 0.6825, your entry at 0.670303. This is only an example. This is not yeah, but I've shared the risk to reward ratio in the VIP group. Risk reward ratio. What's wrong with you guys? I've sent all the details in the VIP group. So please take a look here. Yeah, risk reward ratio. Okay, and if you'll place a trade, okay, using 1% risk, okay, your risk will be 1%, and yeah, let's say $10. Okay, 1% risk, $10, and if the price moves in your direction and if it reaches your take profit, then you will make $20. Okay. What wrong informations, guys? Stefan, in VIP group are still the wrong trading informations, which are the right ones. So you have my levels in the VIP group. Okay. No, I've deleted that that setup, and I've sent the levels again. Okay, I will delete that setup. Ahmed, is gold still valid? I don't know, it's not my trade. Okay, Chris also, what going with gold? So guys, before the economic data, I've told you that worse than expected US data, guys, worse than expected US data could still keep the price of gold higher. Okay, could still keep the price of gold above these levels. I've told you before the US data dump. Okay, so it's not my trade. You'll have to wait for Orlando's management or for Orlando's update. Okay. Yeah, thank you, guys. I've told you before the US data dump that worse than expected US data could force the US dollar to depreciate and could help the price of gold, the yellow metal, to stay higher. Thank you, guys. Okay, and it's not my trade, so I will not manage it right now. I believe that Orlando is still keeping his trade because I've told you he used only a 0.5% risk, guys, on this trade. 0.5. Okay. Okay, guys. USD, Swiss franc are deleting. To delete what? Okay. If you don't have questions, more questions, okay. If you don't have questions, personally I will end this webinar here. It's Friday. Have a great weekend, guys. Actually, let's take a look on cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Up channel. It has retested the broken this former downtrend line here, rebound, breakdown. So yeah, the bias remains bearish. The bias remains bearish here in Bitcoin. And yeah, personally, I'm looking for potential shorts in cryptocurrencies. Ethereum as well. Sorry, I have a reflex to hit this. Okay, Ethereum. Yeah, temporary rebounds were expected, are natural here in cryptocurrencies right now. Temporary rebounds, because the cryptocurrencies, the altcoins, Bitcoin and the altcoins are fighting hard to rebound, to recover after the massive drop and sell-off. I'm taking a quick look here also on cryptocurrencies. Yeah, I believe that I've talked about Dogecoin also yesterday during my session. Yeah, this channel could still signal a potential new leg higher, but it's premature right now. It remains to see if the price of Bitcoin will develop a larger rebound. Then maybe also Dogecoin could turn to the upside. Ripple now is still bearish, is still under pressure here. Okay, US equities. Maybe we'll have potential opportunities here in US equities. Some random guy here said it go. Yeah, I just missed some answers, just making sure, is gold still valid? I don't know, it's not my trade. Okay, please wait for Orlando's update. And yeah, is his trade? Yeah, personally I will talk only about my setups, about my trades. Okay, thank you. US 30, US 30. Maybe I will come back also with a potential trade for the VIP group, also with a potential trade in US equities. Or maybe I'll wait till Monday. Sorry guys, I'm tired. maybe I'll wait maybe for US 30, because US 30, guys, Dow Jones Industrial Average. Thank you for the live video. Thank you, guys, and sorry for that typo, for that mistake. It happens. So here about Dow Jones Industrial Average, please take a look. Yeah, a new higher high, a sell-off, a new higher high here as well, and staying above 33,478 and above the medium line, it could try to resume its growth, and yeah, maybe we'll have a potential new long setup, but yeah, maybe only next week on Monday, okay? Because I'll wait for the price to retest here to see how it will react, and then maybe we'll have a new long opportunity also here in US 30. Thank you, guys. Have a great weekend, and yeah, you have my levels in the VIP group. That's sell stop. Thank you, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.